Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crafting with Holly. I am super excited about this brand new catalog that just went live on November 1st. It's good through the end of December and there is just so much goodness in here. Don't forget to take a look at it. If you are new to my channel, when you place an order on my website, you will get a copy of this catalog for free. And there are two fabulous collections in here. Silver Bells is the first one, and my girlfriends, Tina Lovell and Dana Swadling, and myself do a Palooza event on Facebook every month. And next month, we are going to be featuring Silver Bells, and I cannot wait to show you how Dana reimagined the workshop kit. I'm going to show you in just a minute how I reimagined the cards. And then Tina takes the paper pack and sticker sheet and the coordinating dots and creates 4 double page layouts, and all of the details will be dropped down below in the comments section so you'll know exactly what supplies for each of the workshops you'll need. And then just reach out to me. If you're on Facebook, I will add you to our private Facebook group, and if you're not on Facebook, I can always send you the videos. And then in another video, I'm going to walk you through Evergreen, but just oh my goodness, there are so many fabulous collections in this catalog. I love the stamp sets. I love the coordinating stamp set and thin cuts, and then you're going to see a lot of stenciling in here. There's even a die for these trees, and the trees are coming. The bundle for this already sold out. All the makers grabbed them, so more are on the way, so stay tuned for that. And then look at these fabulous, cute little critters. Happy Holidays, stamp and thin cut, and then Snowbody Like You, stamp and thin cut. And oh my goodness, the Snowflake Sumline embossing folder and stencil and coordinating stamp set and thin cut is absolutely a must-have. And as we are moving along, I also wanted to highlight for you, those of you who love national parks, look at this incredible national park set. It is a stamp and thin cut. You're going to get a thin cut to go behind every single one of these, and there are 12 total of the national parks. Cannot wait to get that. And then of course, every month we have a stamp of the month that's featured. Go back and watch my video for Friday. Every Friday I share with you artwork featuring the stamp of the month. And this one is for December, this one is November, and look at the coordinating thin cut. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun with that. And then that rounds out the new catalog. So grab your copy today, just place an order on my website. Don't forget our VIPs. You qualify for the stamp of the month for free when you place a $50 purchase. And if you're not a VIP, it's only $5, but we are running a special in November for our VIPs. So please jump over to my website. I will put a link down below for VIPs. You are getting an additional $10 in credit when you join as a VIP this month. So many good things happening in November. And it's my birthday month. So yes, it's a fabulous month to begin with because it's my birthday. Anyway, just thought I'd throw that in there. I want to talk to you about the Silver Bells card making workshop and how I take the concepts and I create a good, a better, and a best option for you. There are 4 different cards to choose from. You're going to make one of each. And if you don't want to do just the basic option, you can always do the better and best option. I give you a guide that walks you through all of the changes that I made. And so for the better option for this one, I just added that beautiful silver glitter paper. And then for the best option, not only did we add double glitter paper, but we turned this into a really fun gift card enclosure. So that's card number, that's 2, I believe. Or that's card number 3. Here's card number 1. Just such a beautiful card. Simply, the thin cut that you get with this is so fabulous. I love the bell. I love the ornament. And then this is the best option. I wanted to turn this into another double card. And so it's just a really fun way to jazz up a pretty simple card. This is card number 2. I pretty much kept this the same. There really wasn't a whole lot that I could do to change it, and I just wanted to keep it very simple. So I just added the glitter paper here, and then on this one I just took leftover cardstock and added it behind that to mat it. My favorite one is this card. This card alone is just such a gorgeous card. Added the glitter paper to this one. This is the better option. This is the basic. This is the better. Added the glitter paper, which I just think it made it pop. And then this is the best option. I turned it into a belly band and a kind of double fold card. And I just thought that this just really elevated this card in such an incredible way. So that is the card making workshop that I teach during our Palooza event. And now I want to share with you what Dana created with her. These layouts are so gorgeous, you guys. First of all, look at the amazing stickle work that you're going to do on these pages. She loves stickles, she loves glitter, and let me just tell you, these do not disappoint. They are so stunning. And then the 8x12 flip-flap is just such a perfect add-on to this, and it opens like this, and look at how many more pictures you're going to get onto just this layout alone. So this is layout number 1. Let me just pull this off to the side. This is layout number 2, and look at these flip-flaps across the top here. I love how she just really elevated this, not only with the beautiful glitter, the gold glitter paper, but she really created some really beautiful clusters that are a little bit different than the corporate workshop. Love these banners. She pretty much kept this page the same, but she did add those flip-flaps, which she is known for. And then look at how stunning this page is. And this is the hero over here. Look at this amazing pullout. You are going to love this. You're going to be able to get 4 more pictures onto here. And it just creates a really fun statement on your page. But these are just gorgeous. You're going to love the clusters. You're going to love the embellishments that you're going to be using. And look at that gold foil on these stickers. They are just absolutely stunning. So that is Dana's workshop. I'm going to just put these back together because I'm going to be showcasing these in just a little bit for another event that I am going to be presenting at. And then I'm going to give you a sneak peek of Dana's. So Dana does 4 double pages. I'm not going to be able to show you everything. I can only show you sneak peeks just to keep it equal across the board for other makers that purchase her guides. So I'm just going to share with you a sneak peek, but you guys, these are stunning. You're going to absolutely love them. And those of you that are in my Facebook group, you'll see the full pictures in that Facebook group. But look at the clustering right there. Isn't that just beautiful? I'm going to just kind of bring in these. I just love every element that she put on these pages. They are absolutely stunning. You are going to get a ton of pictures on here. And they're so completely different than Dana's that if you have a lot of winter pictures, whoops, sorry about that. If you have a lot of winter pictures, you're going to want to make both of these workshops because they are completely different. And then here is the last page in that 4 double page workshop. And again, you're just going to absolutely love these pages. And that is it. So drop your comments down below if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. And thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you have other friends that are crafters, I would love for you to share my channel with them and have them start following me too. Have a great day, everyone.